Hey, if your ONN Roku 4K Smart TV remote is not working, the voice remote won't respond and the button stops working, or the remote won't control the TV like this, don't worry, here I'm gonna help you to fix the Roku TV remote not working problem step by step. So first you have to start with the batteries. This is the most common reason a Roku remote stops working. So you have to open the battery cover, remove the batteries. So after remove them, you have to clean the battery compartment using a soft cotton pad or a small blower to remove dust or dirt. So now plug the batteries back in and test the remote. If nothing happens, just replace them with a fresh pair of new batteries and check again. See, it's working fine. So that means the weak batteries often cause the remote to stop responding. But if new batteries don't fix the issue, you must have to restart your Roku TV to refresh the remote connection. So just unplug the TV from the power outlet, wait 10 to 15 seconds, then plug it back in. And now let the home screen fully load and test the remote again. Next thing, you must have to check the IR sensor on your remote. You open the camera and see the infrared is working fine or not. So if it's working fine, just point the remote directly at the TV sensor and make sure the path is clear. Move a little closer if needed. If something blocked the sensor, the remote cannot send any signal. If the remote still doesn't work, you can use the official Roku mobile app as a full remote control. In that case, just from your phone, go to App Store or Google Play Store and search for Roku. And you will find this Roku official app. Just install it and now open it up. Now you have to complete all of the process and sign in with your Roku account. After that, you have to search for your Roku TV. But in that case, you have to make sure both your TV and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once connected, your Roku TV will appear in the list. Just select it and the remote control screen will pop up. And now from here, you can control everything: navigation, volume, settings, even power on off. It's extremely helpful when your physical remote stops working when it's needed. After trying all of this process, I hope one of these tips fixes your Roku TV remote not working issue. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.